Hello guys, so welcome back to a new video guys. It has been a very long time that I didn't make any video guys, and I'm so excited because I want to show you the direction of the market. There is a big move coming up in this market. So guys, I want you guys to take advantage of it. So I'm going to explain you step by step how I was able to know where the market is going and how you guys can take advantage of it. So stay till the end of this video because it's gonna be very important. You guys gonna have like a lot of value in this video guys. So without further ado, let's go. I'm gonna clean up the chart for you guys to be able to understand from scratch. I'm gonna start it over from scratch. So guys, this is the monthly and this is Aussie. I will do another video on other pairs, but today we're gonna go with AUD USD. So I think that this thing is dropping and it's gonna go like we have like almost 1,000 people coming up right now, and it's gonna drop. Price is ready to drop like crazy right now guys, and I'm going to explain you. Look at price was dropping since 1974. Price was dropping, right? You guys can see it down here. It's since 1974 price was dropping, and this was the bottom line. You see, this was the bottom, and now from here price is trying to do what? Price is trying to go up. Price was trying to go up, right? Trying to go up, and from this zone price should have like another high, but I failed to do the high, and instead of having a high, price stay here, drop and come back to test, and now he's dropping to come back in the zone. How do I know that? I know that because price, look at this, is price action. You see, if this was a buy, if this was a bullish movement, price should have if this was a bullish movement, price should have stayed right here and bounced from there to do another high price, but price failed to have another high, and therefore price is dropping. Now we are in a downtrend, but even though we are in a downtrend, we have to understand that I still think that this is gonna go bullish. I think that price is just want to have like a big double tap to be able to go up. What I mean by that is that you see, well, if you guys have been trading for a long time, you know a double tap. I'm not gonna teach you a double tap right now, but it's like price is trying to do something like that, right? A big double tap from this area, and then go like this. I think this is what price is trying to do, and therefore we're gonna have like a bottom right here. We're gonna have the first bottom right here, right? We're gonna have we are going to have the first bottom right here. What is this, bro? We're gonna have the first bottom right here, right? Let me take it off. The first bottom, and the what is this, bro? All right, let me duplicate it. I don't know what is happening. We're gonna have the first bottom, and then we're gonna have the second bottom right here. So first bottom, second bottom. I think this is what happening, but right now this is not our problem. The only thing we know is that price is dropping. So we don't know that price is dropping because I show you a few things, right? A few confluences why price is dropping to come in this zone, right? And now we need to understand how you're gonna take advantage of this drop, and if it's time to jump in a trade. I think it's time. That's why I'm doing this video, right? I think it's time. That's why I'm doing this video, and I'm gonna teach you exactly. I'm gonna tell you exactly why do I think that it's time, and everybody should be jumping in a trade right now. You see, this is the thing with me. I can have like a lot of money in my balance, but I'm not willing to lose money. So if it's not time to trade, I'm not gonna trade. I only take trade when I feel like price is ready to drop, because if price is not ready and you jump in a trade because you feel like you have nothing to do, you feel like you have nothing to do and the market is boring, so you just wanna give money to the market, and you start jumping in a trade, you're gonna lose your account, you're gonna lose a lot of money. So you need to wait till you see something like very clear, you see clear direction of the market. I mean, you see clear direction of the market. This is the first thing, and the second thing, you also need to see the market ready to move. If the market is not ready to move, just don't put damn any money in the market, because they're gonna take your money. Before price start to drop, he need cash. You feel me? Price need money to drop. So if you wanna be in those who give their money for free to the market, guys, you're gonna lose your money. So let's be focused. So right now, this is the ride that price is trying to do. Price is trying to go from this zone right to this zone. It's almost like 1500 pips, 1500 pips, guys. 1500 pips. This is a lot, but it's not gonna happen overnight, guys. So for now, I know price is dropping for this zone to this zone, but my problem right now is that I know that price is dropping from this zone, right? From this zone to this zone. This is my only problem. So how I'm going to be able to catch this move. This is the only thing that I care about right now. After that, if I need to analyze the market and see the next direction, I'm going to do it. But for now, my problem is from this zone to this zone. How much pip is this? From here to here, we have 200 pips, right? We have 200 pips. After that zone is gonna be somewhere around here. So after this, it's gonna be this, and this is what, from here to here we have almost 600 pips, but I don't care about this right now. So we're gonna clean up the chart, and then I like when the chart is clean like this. That's why I don't want to drum a lot of so guys, how do I know that price is dropping? Prices, I know price is dropping for a fact, and we have a lot of pips coming. But thing is, how do I know that we should be jumping in a trade right now? We should having a in it. We should taking trade right now. I know it because, you see, before you take a trade, you need to have a lot of confluences. So my first one is price action. I know that there was a problem right here because price failed to go up. So now he break through this trend line and come back to test it. Now he's dropping. This is the first confluences. The next one is the fib. If I take the fib from this zone, look at, if I take the fib from this zone to this zone, look at, you see that? If I take this fib from this zone to this zone, it's gonna be, look at the fib from this zone to this zone. We didn't have any movement at the 0.6, right? And now you have like lot of touch, multiple touch in the 0.5. Look at right here and right here. And now price came back from this zone. Price came back to touch what? The 0.3. So now nothing can stop price from going to this zone all the way down to this zone. We all know that, right? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. It's clean, and this thing is so simple. It's so simple, guys. Price is dropping, and the only thing is that some people can get this thing right, but they are rushing because they know where the market is going. They kind of want to make money off of it, so they jump in a trade without taking time to see if really price is ready to drop or if it's not ready to drop. When price is not ready to drop, even though you know where price is going, it's gonna hit you. Price is gonna hit you. Like you're gonna be crying because you're going to lose so much money in the market. Not because you don't know what you're doing, but because you have lack of patience. You are not patient. You can wait. Just because you know where the market is doing doesn't mean you're gonna profit off of it, guys. So this is another confluences. I have the fib that is telling me that price is dropping. But you see, we have price was ranging in this zone for at least, I think, a year, right? Price range in this zone for a year. Let me go into the monthly so that we can see it together. When I go into the monthly, I can have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you see, this is almost over a month that price was ranging in this zone, and price cannot be ranging there for life. He need to drop. So I think this is time for price to drop right now, and I feel like the next zone is gonna be somewhere around here, but for now we are going to focus on this zone, right? Price is gonna draw from this zone to this zone. And now the big question, the most important question is, why do I think price is ready to drop? I'm going to tell you guys why I think price is ready to drop. You see, AUD USD has a problem. The problem with AUD USD is that this thing like to move in a channel. But before I talk about the channel, before I talk about this channel, see, this is where price is leading right now. Before I talk about the channel, look at some. I'm gonna bring the fib somewhere around here too for you guys to be able to see. Hopefully I'm going to be right. Hopefully I'm going to be right. I think the fib is from this zone to this zone, right? I forgot I had this fib level, but I don't remember. I think it was from this zone. I think so. Right. If that fib was from this zone. You see, price start dropping from this zone. Look at drop, right? Come back to test the 0.6, come back to test it, drop, test the 0.5, and drop all the way down to this zone, right? And price was having trouble to go through, to break through. So what happened is that price went all the way up, shoot all the way up to come to test what? The 0.6 again. And when price was dropping, come here, touch the 0.5, you see? From the 0.5 price drop, come back, test the 0.3, and now what's gonna happen is going to drop. And you guys know, if you have been trading for a long time, you know that the second time or the zero, right, of the 0 point here, right, the second time of this line is going to break through and then come all the way down to this zone, to the minus 0.27. This is going to happen. This was the first time, right? The first touch, it went back to the 0.6 and test the 0.5, test the 0.3. Now price is ready to drop, to shoot all the way down to this zone. And after here, I think price is gonna continue dropping. It's gonna go back, retrace, test it, and then drop, guys. This is going to happen. You guys gonna see. It's gonna be in front of you guys. You don't need to believe me, but I can tell you something for a fact. I have been in this market for a very long time, so I know what price is doing. So this is the next confluences that I have to tell you why I know price is dropping, why I'm so sure the price is dropping, and it's ready to drop right now. And now let's go back to the weekly. And let me show you something in the weekly. I'm sorry, what to feel. Let me show you something in the weekly. So now we are in the weekly, right? In the weekly, I was saying that AUD USD has a problem, and the problem with the AUD USD problem is that he like to move in a channel, and it's so easy. It's so easy to understand the channel of AUD USD. Usually, no matter what channel AUD USD is gonna use to move, I'm able to see it. So because of that, it's so easy for me to understand AUD USD. Let me show you what I mean by that. Excuse me. Look at price went from this zone to this zone. Look at, anytime price has to drop, anytime there is a big drop, price touch this line. Anytime, look at, we have the first touch right here, right? This zone was the first touch. We have the second touch, right? And now price was going to touch this zone and he failed to touch it. Price failed to touch it, but price touched it in this zone. I'm going to show you why I say price touch it. Price touched the line in this zone, so price has to go back to test this line before he can drop. But it was gonna be too linear. It was gonna be too, like, this is not price action walk. Price need to range a little bit just to be able to give us some space before he can drop. That's why price failed to touch it, and then he come to range almost a year in this zone, and now price is ready to drop. Why is ready to drop? Because it tests this line again. That means price is gonna drop like crazy. Not only that, but let me show you some. Not only that, why? Because if I'm sorry, let me take it again. You see, if I try to duplicate this, you see, look at this is what I was talking about. This guy like to move in the channel. Look at you see. So one, let me take this one. It's gonna be easy. One touch right here, right? Two, right? And price was having like hard time to go through this yellow bar and touch it, make a kind of double tap, come back to touch it again, and boom, drop, shoot all the way down. And now that price touch here, he won't gonna touch it like twice before he come by. So price bought right away. But from this zone, it was kind of hard for price to test this zone, so he has to range. He has to take his time to range to give us a space and to be able to collect orders before he can drop. That's why price stay here, didn't touch it, right? Range, come back to test this yellow bar, come down, test the yellow bar again. At the same time where price is trying to test the yellow bar, he touched this trend line, right? What this mean price is gonna melt. It's gonna drop like crazy. It's gonna drop that like it's even money that we're trading. That's why I'm so sure that now this guy is ready to drop. But at least I know it's dropping for sure. Price is gonna go really far. It's gonna do this. Okay, you see, come here, test, drop, right, fail, come here, right, and now price is coming all the way down to this zone. It's gonna be something like that. You see, price is coming all the way down to this zone, but it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna drop like this. So my thing is, when I see this kind of drop, I'm never gonna panic. Just gonna take my time and take it step by step. No rush, guys. I'm not rushing. I'm going to take it step by step, guys. So now this is the second one. Look at some. See what I mean by that? Look at counter trend line, bam, 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 and bam, price is dropping. Look at where he touched it. When price touch it, look at the way he was going down. Look at the way price is melting. Look at. You see, I know what I'm doing in the market, guys. I know what I'm doing in the market, and I know when I tell you the price is dropping. So if you're gonna take advantage of it right now, the only move I'm trying to catch, I'm in this trade. I'm already in this trade. I closed some trade from this zone to this zone, and now I'm about to take some trade from this zone to this zone. So this is 200 pips. So for now, I'm going to catch this 200 pips, and I'm going to wait for price to break through, right? Break through like this and come to test. Here I'm gonna close some of my profit, and when price is gonna test this zone and start dropping, I'm going to have other entries right here to be able to profit half of this drop. And right here too is gonna be almost around, it's gonna be almost around 700 pips, guys. So guys, this is the game. I can go over like 30 minutes again, but I don't want to make the video too long because this move is gonna be huge. Look at, it's gonna be huge. Price is gonna do something like that, right? Gonna do something like that, buy like this, maybe test it back, and then boom, come back all the way down to test it right here again. And I mean something like that maybe, guys. But I don't want to make the video too long. So guys, here is the thing. So you just need, I mean, some people will ask me, how can we get entry? I know that, but if I want to show you everything in this video, it's gonna be too long, guys. But let me show you a little bit. You're wondering how you're gonna get entry, right? Look at price breakthrough. Now he's dropping. Next level target is this one. Next level target is 0.62741. This is the next level target. So you guys see the next level target, how you can take advantage of it. Let me show you some. This is how you can take advantage of the market. This is a key zone right now. This is a key zone, guys, right? This is a key zone, guys. Look at why this is a key zone. Look at Price was price was going up, trying to go through. It couldn't drop, touch it, drop again. Finally went through, tested, go back, tested, go back, tested, boom, right? Price was going down, tested, he couldn't come back right here. Now look at this candle. You see this pink candle come all the way down, trying to break through, he couldn't, and then push all the way up to this zone, and now price come back to close a close down here. You see, so what this means is that this bridge, we went through this bridge, so now we are in a free cruise to this zone, free cruise from this zone to this zone. It's gonna drop. So how you can take advantage of this? You just need to wait, just need to wait. Price drop like this, right? Let me go into the 4-hour time frame. We are trying to get entry right now, right? We are in the 4-hour time frame. So what we're gonna do, you're going to see something like that, price drop, right? This week is gonna buy a little bit to come back around this zone, fake like he's going up, and then from this zone, right, it's gonna start dropping. So anytime you're gonna see price right here, leave it. But anytime price is coming down right here in this zone, just jump in it and have your stop loss somewhere around here, right? We are going short, you jump, stop loss right here, you jump in a trade right here. When price is somewhere around here, you jump in it, and you have like let's say 45 stop loss. You have 45 stop loss, and then you can take it from this zone all the way down to this zone, guys. You're gonna be making so much money, so much money, guys. So imagine if you have like imagine if you have 5 lot, it's gonna be 50 times what? We have 230 pips. So 50 times 200 and what? 230 is 11,000. 11,000, guys. So if it's 10 lot, it's gonna be times 2, 23,000. Easy money, guys. Easy stuff. This is easy, and it's free money, guys. When you have the knowledge in this market, you are going to be printing money. You're gonna be your own bank. You're gonna print money from the market. So guys, I'm very tired, and you guys see the time, 11:57 p.m. I need to go sleep. I need to get some sleep. And guys, just take note of this. Even if you don't play, you are not gonna trade, just take note of this. It's gonna happen. This shit is gonna happen. And subscribe to the channel if you doesn't, because I'm going to drop other videos and talking about other pairs like Euro USD, right, like GBP USD, okay, and like gold.